friends, welcome back. I wanted to share with you one of my favorite authors and illustrators, Eric Carle. You're probably familiar with some of his books, at least this one, The Very Hungry Caterpillar. What makes his artwork really cool is the way that he makes his art. He makes collages, which we know is cutting and gluing papers to make a new image. When he makes his artworks, he's not actually drawing every little bit of, say, this lion. He has made a piece of paper that's this yellow and a piece of paper that's this orange. Then he cuts them into the shapes he needs to build his animals, like this. He also uses very, very thin pieces of paper called tissue paper so that it has lots of different textures. You can see through it. It's kind of transparent. And he uses lots of different colors, lots of different tools to make these scratches and all these different textures in his artworks. So I wanted to make a very hungry caterpillar like we see in his story. The way that we're going to do this is by using paper of different colors. I painted my papers. If you have construction paper or if you want to color your own paper with crayons or markers or colored pencils, whatever you do will work. So after you get your papers, you'll need a red, a blue, and a green. You're going to take your green paper and cut a strip out, however wide you want your caterpillar to be. Next, we're going to do an accordion fold. If you remember from class, an accordion fold is where we fold forwards and then backwards until it looks like a Z or a zigzag. We're going to keep on going until we get the whole thing folded up. Now we've got an accordion fold. This is really neat because it's going to make our caterpillar pop up off the page to make the artwork a little more interesting and a little more 3D. After I cut out my caterpillar body, I would find a place to glue it onto my blue background, like so. And then I would cut a circle out of my red paper to add on the head. I've got tons of extra paper from cutting out my green body, so I can make leaves, which would be a good oval shape. I can make stems, which are rectangles. I might have some leftover pieces from cutting out my leaves that would be good grass. I can go back with crayons, colored pencils, oil pastels, markers, anything to make up the background. The only thing that I added that you didn't already see is a little bit of yellow paper as well, and this was paper that I didn't paint. It's just some yellow paper, and also I added some purple pastel on there to make it look like our very hungry caterpillar. So I would love to see what you guys come up with. Let me see your work. Make sure you upload it and have an awesome time. Thank you.